Hello guys, this is Alexandre Zar, and today I want to share with you how to change a, let's say, biofunctional cabin filter, air filter on a Mercedes W204 C-Class, which in my case it's the pre-facelift version. Manufacturing date is around July 2008. So basically what you need for this job is to get the cabin air filter. I suggest using this biofunctional cabin filter just because it says that let's say it kills pollen, particulate matter, mold, and diesel soot. Given the fact that we drive our cars on a daily basis, let's say more than 75% of the lifetime of the car inside town where you have the highest pollution rates. So basically over here is a graph showing you that number of living bacteria after 20 days in the lab. So you'll get 15 million, and after 28 days in the lab you get prevention of bacterial growth of 98%. So with an ordinary filter you would get around 15 million bacteria, and with the freshest plus up to 100% clean filtered cabin air you get a filtration rate of 98%. So basically this is better for your health and better for the passengers inside the car. So what the package contains is kind of two things, three actually. So first things first is the instruction manual on how to install the cabin air filter. It says that as a do-it-yourself job it can be done in 24 minutes. Over here you have the reference part number. Basically if you open this you have visual representation on the left hand drive type of vehicle, right hand drive type of vehicle. You have the glove box, and what you have to do basically it takes you step by step on how to start and complete the job. Second, you have a flyer with some information. If you want and are curious about what the filter contains, you can find it in there. And the most important part is you get the cabin air filter, which is sealed in a plastic bag. On one side it's gray. Over here you have the code, so be sure that the proper filter is in the delivery box so that you don't get fooled with. So without further ado, I don't want to keep you any longer since it's not necessary. You're gonna get bored, blah blah blah. I'm gonna start figuring out what tools I need, and yeah, let's get cracking. So back to basics. Okay, what you need to do when changing the cabin air filter. Basically you're gonna need, I think, just two basic tools, which are a Torx T20 and a flathead screwdriver. Good. Next thing what you need to do is take the floor mat out of the way and put it somewhere where it doesn't hinder your working space. Third actually, you need to pull in right over here, put your fingers back and lower this side like this. This will enable you to gain access on the last part of that under plastic guard, should I say. And then we have, based on the MAN air filter schematic, 3 screws, one top left side, one upper center side, one top right side. And then what you need to do is carefully push this towards the front of the car, yeah, and pull also down. Be careful, because in the middle, around here somewhere, you have a hook which catches the tray, and then okay, and then you have the footwell lighting, which you have to turn counterclockwise, the bulb, and you can get it out starting from over here. Be careful with the screws, place them carefully so that you don't lose them. For me, it's the first time when I changed the cabin air filter on this kind of car, so I didn't rehearse anything. I'm not doing everything in this operation out of experience, so basically what you see is what a first-hand experience looks like. I don't know if you caught that on the tape on the camera, but it's like this. I told you. Let's see what we have over here. No quality sensor in this car. Air quality sensor. See that hook? Now we get this plastic piece out of the car, and we have the cabin air filter. What you need to do is push this out of the way like this, and you pull it out. Nothing much easier than that. So that's CUK 2905 cabin air filter. It's like this. Yeah, it doesn't show where the airflow is, but basically I'm gonna keep it in this position so I don't install it the wrong way or anything. Just a second, let me get the new one out of the box. In most cases, when you don't have all the instructions, it's best to work step by step. If possible, install just immediately after the removal of some certain components. So on this old filter, I don't have the airflow marked on it. It's not very dirty, but I'm gonna put the new filter side by side. You have to be sure that this slider is all the way to the left side of the bottom part. Like that. Takes a little bit more force. Let's see if... No, you can't get it out. Perfect. Good. So now getting in plastic part back in. Don't forget to put the footwell light bulb back in, and after that carefully check where the hook needs to come in. basically how you manage to install this lower part. First you have to get the hook in position, and how you do that is on the lower side you have a hole through which you can barely insert the index finger, and you try and get a feel for the hook and the hole through which the hook goes. After which it's child's play. You have to basically take each screw, put it back in, and you're done. I think this is a job which can be performed in less than 20 minutes. Okay. Be careful not to over tighten the bolt, because you can end up stripping the plastic thread, and then it's a pain in the ass to fix. Okay, put everything back together and you're good to go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is Alexandre Zar. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Comments in English or Romanian please. So take care, bye bye.